You don't need to be a size 4, 25 years old, or chasing trends to look stylish. Confidence does not come from your clothes. It comes from clarity. In this video, we're rewriting every outdated style rule that has been holding you back so you can finally get dressed like the woman that you actually are. Powerful, grown, aligned, and unapologetic. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and tap that bell below, and make sure you stay to the end because I have a surprise for you that is going to help you rebuild your wardrobe so you can start dressing for the woman that you actually are. So let's just keep it real. The world has lied to women over 40 for far too long. It told us confidence wasn't about being thinner, smaller, or looking younger. That you have to dress your age is really saying you have to shrink. You have to blend in. And that's absolute trash. I don't subscribe to that, and neither should you. Here's what confidence isn't. It's not wearing whatever is trending on TikTok. It's not squeezing into the size that you were before the kids or before life happened. It's not hiding in all black outfits because you don't want to be seen. Real confidence is dressing in alignment with your life, your lifestyle, and your energy right now. Because when your wardrobe reflects who you are, then getting dressed feels like a reintroduction and not a performance. So here's how we're gonna rewrite these rules. The first is wear what supports, not what restricts. That means fabrics that move with you, cuts that honor your body where it is now, and shoes that do not punish you because function is fashionable. Next, we're gonna dress like we have already arrived. Do not wait until you lose the weight, land the deal, or take the trip. Style is energy. So when you dress for the life that you want, it responds. Next, use color and fabric to mirror your power. A soft blush says that you're approachable. A deep plum says that you're confident. Notice I didn't say black. Tailoring says you're sharp, polished, and direct. Jersey knit is comfort with intention. And so you want to use these different fabrics and color palettes to really reflect your present, not your past. Next, let's get into your own personal style manifesto. So ask yourself, what do I want my clothes to say about me before I speak? What energy do I want to carry into rooms that I walk into? What am I done apologizing for? Now write that down, and whatever you wrote down, that is your new style code. That is your North Star every time that you open your closet. Because your style isn't about dressing up, it's about showing up. And you've been hiding for far too long based on your life changes, right? You've been hiding for far too long because you can't fit this size. You're too hot. And girl, I get it. But we got to get out of that slump. And so if you feel like I am all up in your business, good. But don't just let this video sit. Actually take action. You can start with grabbing my effortlessly elevated guide for just $47. It is going to walk you through how to dress with intention, how to audit your wardrobe, how to have pieces that align with where you are now, how to pick silhouettes and fabrics based on your body type. If this series has helped you reconnect with the woman that you are, then please drop a comment and let me know. The biggest shift I've made is what? And you're gonna let me know in the comments. What's that one piece that you got rid of? What's that new piece that you bought? Or what is that old piece that you've now restyled based on where you are now? Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this series with a woman that is going through some midlife changes. You never know who this could help. Because the truth is, style does not stop after 40. Style does not stop when you've had hot flashes. Style does not stop when you've had children. Style does not stop when life has happened. It starts working for you when you stop dressing for who you were and start showing up like who you've become. I'll see you in the next video.